Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to publish a Canva website to my domain in 2024. Of course, we will walk you through the steps or a step-to-step guide on how to connect your or to show you how to connect your Canva website to a custom domain that you already own. If you don't even own it, I'll even show you the steps on how to own, first of all, a domain. Whether, of course, you already own one or you need to purchase a new one. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and log into your Canva account. Make sure to open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Go to the URL section, type canva.com and hit the enter button. If it's your first time, basically you'll be taken, of course, to this page. You can click on login to log in into your account. You can use like a Google, Apple, Facebook, Microsoft's Clever account if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of logging into your account. The same will be for sign up. You can use an example, whatever you want. If you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account, instead of entering your information manually, you can use one of those accounts. Once you're logged in or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here. So, of course, first of all, we'll need to create a design. So go to the top right corner, create a design, and simply just type websites. Click on that website right here, and you'll be able to start creating a website. Of course, from here, you'll have to choose a template and etc. You can even edit a template that you've already done. As example, I have here some templates. So I'll just go and click on that so I don't have to edit everything from the beginning. Of course, basically, yeah, I'll click on edit design. You can simply choose a lot of templates here to choose or to use. I've made a video on how to use them, etc., how to edit them, and even how to publish your website. But for this video, we'll show you how to publish on my domain. So if you go to the top right corner and you find the publish button, click on it. As an example, normally we'll be able to publish it or republish the website. I've already published it. That's why I find here republish. For you, you should find a publish option. But for me, as you can see here, an ugly domain, like a long domain. And normally people wouldn't like to click on that domain. It will not even have a good SEO ranking, which is search engine or optimization ranking. So if you go and click on this pen button, as you can see, we'll have here, of course, you can add this, but it's not going to be available. So you'll have to add something, as example, maybe test or something like that. For us, we don't want this anyway. We want to get a new domain. So click on get a new domain. Here you have two options. You have either to bring your own domain or buy a new domain. If you don't have one already, just go and click on buy a new domain, then click on continue. And here you'll have to look for the domain that you want. Of course, it will include hosting, SSL certification, and who is privacy protection. So it's actually very, very good. Because it might look expensive, a little bit expensive for you, like $19. It might look expensive, as we said. So if you can see here, you can see $19 per year. So it might look expensive for you a little bit, but you don't have to worry about it. It gets in you everything that you need. So here, as example, I want, what about this domain? So .com. I want this domain and click on search, and I will see if it's available. So yeah, as example, perfect match, it's available. Of course, if you want some other ones, they may charge you more. Maybe as example, I don't know. Can I get google.com? Of course I cannot, for sure I cannot. But I'll just go and show you an example. If you type google.com, as you can see, you'll find it taken, you'll not be able to claim it. Keep that in mind. So yeah, for me as an example, I want this domain. Let's say I want this domain. Here, click on search domain. So perfect match. I'll just go here and click on claim domain. After that, all I need to do, fill up my informations, pay with PayPal or credit card, and click on place order. As you can see, by placing order, you agree to terms of service. Make sure to read them out. It's very important. And your information, as you can see, will be sent to a domain name registrar so that you can register your domain. Please read the privacy policy. You can read the privacy policy, and of course, you can even I don't know if you can see here where a domain registrar Canva is using, but we'll check it out after. Then click place an order, and you will claim that domain right away. Very simple. If you have your own domain, you can simply bring your own domain here into Canva. But in order to do that, you will need to go and upgrade into Canva Pro. And basically after that, they will take you or they'll tell you the steps, they will show you on the screen. On screen, they'll give you some instructions to transfer your domain from wherever you have it, maybe you have it in GoDaddy, you have it in Bluehost, Hostinger, wherever you have it, they'll show you the steps or the instructions. They'll give you the instructions on how to transfer it here in Canva. So make sure to get a plan. If you have a plan, instead of this here, you'll find like the instructions on how to transfer it. Once you do so, you can simply just go and publish your websites on your own domain instead of this ugly long domain. And yeah, I guess normally that's it. Of course, like I'll just go here and type in Google, what is the domain register example? So register that, so that's an example that Canva is using for domains. As simple as that. I'll ask a simple question in Google and see if I can find an answer. So example, Canva is a reseller of 2Coins domains. Domain purchased through Canva are subject to 2Coins refund policies. So example, I'll just go and check this link also as example and see if that is correct or not. So yeah, they show you basically how to get a new domain. And yeah, I guess like this should be it. So it seems like 2Coins. Of course, you can simply, if you want, if you or like have a pro plan or something like that, you can come here and see as example if the domain is going to be like cheaper in here. If it is cheaper, you can simply just go, yeah, 2Coins domains. This is what we want, not the first one. So example here, I'll just go and type like this one specifically, click on search and see like the price in here. Of course, I'm not a robot. If it's cheaper in here, you can simply get it in here and transfer it. If you already have a pro plan, you can just make the math for yourself. So if the pro plan plus the domain from 2Coins is cheaper, you can simply just do that. If it's cheaper, just to, I don't know, get the domain plus the pro plan and it's cheaper than transferring example or whatever it is, or like buying in here, you can just go and get that as well. So example, provider information, domain not found, and okay, maybe I'll write wrong or what. It should, oh yeah, I'm not robots, like I want to buy it, not I don't want to search about us. Yeah, of course this is like for search it seems, but I don't want to search about us, I want to like buy one. So this one specifically looks just for looking up an example. So I'll just go here and type like 2Coins example, buy like domain. I don't know if it's available or not. So just, yeah, purchase domain example from here. So 2Coins does not sell directly. So okay, does not sell correctly directly to customers. It sells maybe just to organizations. So it does not seem optional, or you can do it on 2Coins. Of course, you can look for other domain registers such as GoDaddy, such as Hostinger or Bluehost example. So Hostinger maybe Bluehost. Some of those has some cheap domains. You can look for the same domain. If it's cheaper in there, an example, maybe an example, this one I'll just show you very fast. So yeah, .com is already there. If it's cheaper in here, you can simply just get it from here on Bluehost. So where's .com? Yeah, an example. So $13. You can even get the pro with it to transfer it, and you should be good to go. Of course, make sure to see the total, not this alone. And yeah, that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.